Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. Today video Grass coin, Grass. Basic information, important technical analysis, price, prediction update, forecast, quick update. Grass coin last 24 hours, time of recording, 15% price increase from current technical indicators sentiment overall bullish. Trading near above new coin. Grass coin last 2 week performance, 45% performance last 2 week. Coming days listing Binance. Currently overbought position. Grass coin price will increase rise. Price volatility Grass coin 30%, extremely high volatility last 2 week. Fear and greed index 70. 24-hour trading volume Grass coin 290 million, market cap 400 million, market dominance Grass coin 0.03%. Last 24-hour trading volume decrease 18% before day. Last 24-hour trading volume decrease 18% before day. Grass coin highest price high cycle 1.80 USD. 1.80 USD highest price high cycle. Hold short term. Coming days, coming session, price value increasing rise. Currently overbought position. New best buy entry trade point 1.70 USD. 1.70 USD new best buy entry trade point. Hold short term new coin. Coming days listing Binance. Current circulating supply 244 million grass. Out of supply 1 billion grass. Grass coin against Bitcoin price increase of 5%. Grass coin 21 cryptocurrency exchange listed 21 pairs. KuCoin, Bybit, Bitget, ATX, Gear.io, Mexi. Coming days listing Binance. Currently price prediction sentiment Grass coin bullish. 5 technical analysis indicator signaling bullish buy signals and 1 signaling bearish sell signal. Currently bullish. Currently daily SMA simple moving average daily. SMA 3 bullish. Currently daily EMA exponential moving average 3. EMA 3 bullish. It means Grass coin recent trending. Currently RSI indicator relative Sun index momentum value around 70-75 indicates Grass coin market overbought position price will increase rise. Must hold short term profitable. Currently overbought position around 70-75. Support level entry points 1.43 USD, 1.25 USD, and strongest support level entry point Grass coin 95 cents. Strongest support level entry point 95 cents. Resistance levels 1.70 USD, 1.90 USD, and 2.20 USD resistance levels. Based on Grass coin forecast, current technical indicator sentiment bullish. Last 24 hours, 15% price increase from coming days listing Binance. Best time investment buy entry trade, hold short term new coin, profitable. New best buy entry trade point 1.70 USD. 1.70 USD new best buy entry trade point. Touch this level 1.70 USD best buy entry trade point. Hold short term profitable. Grass coin, Grass. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update forecast. Goodbye.